Hello, welcome to Phat Monkey 404. Today we're building a blue spiky little hedgehog. It's Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic was released by Sony to take on Nintendo's Mario. I'll let you decide which one's better. I think Mario might have won that battle with the amount of stuff that's been released. Anyway, released in September 2023 and due to retire at the end of this year in December 2024. It's set number 40627 and has 139 pieces. Let's get cracking! And that's a wrap. Yeah, I've said before I do like these little BrickHeadz sets. Another fantastic little one for a tenner to add to the collection. But that's it. Until next time, adios. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, and if you can, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.